And this is a 360 wig. It's straight and it is 24 inches. I've already plucked it and it didn't need much plucking, didn't take too long. I may have over plucked it a little bit on that side, but I think that never really bothers me because it makes it look more like scalp. So cute, like it's super silky. Like look at this hair, you guys. This hair looks so bomb. So you guys, make sure you check out Modern Show Hair and you will not be disappointed. Like this hair was so easy to work with. Like